In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted task in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to bring a task back, and how to confirm everything is in place again, all without wasting time clicking around. First, open Asana and head to the workspace where the task was originally created and deleted. Workspaces in Asana keep teams and projects separate, so being in the right one matters. If you work across multiple spaces, check the workspace name at the top of your screen and switch if needed so your search happens in the correct place. Next, use the search bar to look for the task by name. Start with the exact title if you remember it. Using quotes around the name can narrow results. If you're not sure of the full name, try a unique keyword, the assignee's name, or a related project name. Hit Enter to open the full search view so you can see all available filters. Now look specifically for deleted or recently removed results. In the search view, you may see a deleted or recently deleted category, or a filter that lets you include deleted items. Turn that on so tasks in the trash appear. Deleted tasks often look slightly dimmed or carry a trash icon or deleted label. If you have a large workspace, refine your results by adding the project or assignee to make the deleted task easier to spot. When you see the task, open it. A deleted task typically shows a banner or message indicating it was deleted, and some details might be grayed out. You can still review its title, description, and related information to confirm it's the one you want to recover. If the option is available, click Restore or Undelete. This button may appear right on the banner or in the More Actions menu on the task. If you don't see the Restore option, it could mean you don't have permission to recover it, you're not in the correct workspace, or the item has been permanently removed based on your organization's retention settings. Finally, return to the project and confirm the task is restored. Open the project where the task belonged and look for it in the expected section. Check that key details like the assignee, due date, subtasks, and attachments look correct. If anything is missing, use the task's activity history to understand what changed and reapply fields as needed. That's it. You've located the deleted task, restored it, and verified it's back where your team needs it.